Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can import and export calendars on Google Workspace. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your Google Calendar, which is calendar.google.com. And once you're here, you will click this gear icon right here, and then you will click Settings. And once you're here, basically what you will have to do is just click import and export, but due to privacy concern matters, I won't be able to actually click it. So just go ahead and click that. And once you click it to import, you will click import and select file, which is .ics, and then you will choose calendar and then click import. In order to export, you will just have to click export, and then you will have to choose calendars and then download that zip file. And by the way, use exported files as backups or migrate to other accounts. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.